Vote for him.
Karakut from the right side. And this game is now tied at 10.
You know, rain or shine has the, you know,
Leaves it for Murphy. Pangatlo na yan.
can you imagine he's shooting over Gabe Norwood, his finding ways.
Belga makakatapat niya. Let's see how he does as Norwood takes it to the cup. And one opportunity para kay Gabe.
You talk about Gabe Norwood's athleticism. You know, everyone is
18% lang, pero naipasok niya yung una. Speaking of threes, Berto Polic buries a deep one.
You know, Magu, if you remember right, itong koponan na
3-on-1 break. The Mooses tumaport pa.
this is where rain or shine is very good at, pag-execute ng fast break.
At the other side, Salado. Mula sa kanto, Eris Torres. Oh!
That was close.
Hindi binaba yung heel. Sean Elliott
Sean
ba yan?
Elliott, di ba? Parang
Sean
ganun.
Elliott.
Sakto.
Kung ibinaba niya yung paa niya, outside eh.
Buti na. Hindi pa tinapos sa 1 point. Ano?
Assist John knocks home a 3. Rain or shine, really shooting well. They go to Nambatak, who splits two defenders. How about that?
What a move, Magu. That head and shoulder fake threw off everyone. That allowed
6 from the field. Murphy, finally with a two-pointer.
Yes, and that's the first 2-point shot there of Kevin Murphy.
He missed. Murphy is free. Bam!
Oh, he just loves to shoot it from way downtown.
8 of 10, Eric. Grabe naman yung tikada nito.
Parang free.
Samar with a steal. And Samar will finish it off. That is an 8-0 run, bridging the third and fourth quarters of this game.
Bilis talaga maka-recover dito ng steal.
Munzon with a finger roll.
You know, because that's been the struggle so far for ROS.
0 for 2 from the three-point line this fourth quarter ang ROS. Si Murphy naman ayaw pa talaga paawat.
Yes, he's really been consistent and then
They go to Chan. Back again to Calma. Suki si JM dun sa pwestong yun.
JM Calma just loves to be moving well without that.